Imagine transforming a single long video into an entire season of viral clips without ever touching complex editing software. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes to show exactly how I turn long-form footage into ready-to-post content using Vizard. It all starts by simply logging in and uploading that raw, unedited footage directly into the platform. Whether it's a lengthy live stream or an in-depth workshop, I just drag and drop the file and Vizard does the heavy lifting. The software immediately begins analyzing audio and visual cues, saving me from manually scrubbing through hours of recordings. Once the processing finishes, I dive straight into the auto-edit mode to let the AI find the magic. It scans for engagement spikes, laughter, and natural breaks to identify the perfect high-impact snippets. I usually ask it to pull 20 high-engagement ideas, and it instantly generates timestamps and catchy headlines for me. This saves me so much creative energy by handling the brainstorming phase automatically. Next, I preview those clips to see exactly how they look, which is incredibly fast and intuitive. I can toggle between vertical, square, and landscape formats in seconds to see what fits each social platform best. This is a massive upgrade compared to other tools that force you to export and reformat everything manually. If you're obsessed with the perfect hook, the platform even suggests optimized captions based on the scene's energy. I usually tweak the wording slightly to match my personal voice, but having that starting point cuts my time down significantly. Then, I use the auto-edit settings to dial in the perfect tone, choosing between punchy hype clips or smooth, thoughtful transitions. The AI automatically adjusts my trim points, ensuring the clips start with context and keep the viewer locked in. For branding, I just upload my logo and brand kit once, and every single clip gets my custom watermark automatically. I don't have to reapply templates every time, which is so much better than exporting raw clips to a separate editor. One of my absolute favorite parts is the captioning feature, which is accurate and super easy to edit. If the transcript misses a slang word or a name, I can fix it inline in just a few seconds. When it comes to distribution, the auto-schedule and content calendar features are total game changers. I just set my posting frequency, and the AI schedules the content at the optimal times based on engagement data. I can batch approve a whole week's worth of clips, hashtags, and captions without ever having to post manually. Let's say I have a 60-minute talk. The AI can quickly extract a dozen standalone tips and a few funny exchanges for me. I keep the high-energy bits for the start of the week and sprinkle the deeper value tips in the midweek slots. The content calendar gives me a bird's-eye view so I can drag and drop to reschedule if my plans change. Compared to doing this manually in professional software, this workflow is faster, cheaper, and way less stressful. Other tools might handle basic clipping, but they often lack the consistent branding and scheduling capabilities I need. Vizard hits the sweet spot by finding moments that actually resonate while streamlining the cross-platform experience. It also keeps my branding consistent, which is crucial for building a recognizable feed that followers trust. Remember, repurposing isn't just about saving time, it's a strategy to grow authority while expanding your reach. I use these clips as a discovery funnel, taking long-form interviews and turning them into bite-sized content for new audiences. To really stand out, I add a small pack of my own thumbnail and title templates on top of the AI's suggestions. This creates that micro-branding effect that catches the eye while people are scrolling. Pro tip, don't over-polish every single clip, as the organic ones often feel more real to the audience. Within an hour, I can turn a 2-hour stream into a full week of high-quality, platform-ready content. It removes the boring, repetitive parts of editing so I can focus purely on the creative edge. If you have questions about my workflow, let me know and I'd be happy to walk you through a real example. Stop wrestling with timelines, try out this workflow and spend less time editing and more time reaching people. It truly makes growing a channel feel a whole lot less brutal, so go give it a shot.